right, welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get your rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency, crypto.com or CRO, C-R-O. Also, we're going to be talking about Walmart wanting to get into the Metaverse. So Walmart is trying to get into the Metaverse. You've been hearing about this Metaverse. Everything's the Metaverse. So even Walmart today is trying to get in the Metaverse. For CRO, we're going to do a price prediction. Go to the website, check out what's going on. There's been some suspicious activities going on with the credit card. They froze the accounts. They kind of fixed everything. We're going to dig into that. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. So on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, did you watch the football? And you saw it. Tom Brady, what he's getting into. He's doing a trade. And then you saw crypto.com. The advertisements were all over Saturday and Sunday. Well, Monday Night Football is going on tonight, and you're going to see it again. Now, the Super Bowl commercials that are coming up in February, everybody wants to know, oh, what's the best Super Bowl commercial? You heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner first. It's probably going to be a crypto commercial. All right, let's head over to crypto.com. All right, at CoinMarketCap, crypto.com is the 17th cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. Right now, it's down about 4% in the last 24 hours, traded at about 44 cents. Clicking it. So down here, again, it's down 4% in the last 24 hours, 44 cents. Looking in the last 24 hours, what it's done, it's kind of been going down. Last 7 days, it's kind of a roller coaster. It goes up, it goes down, and now it's coming back down. Again, on the 24 hours, take a look how it's kind of come back down right here. So it's down right now at 44 cents. Could be a possible discount buy, but it's only at 4%, not the 10, 12, or 14. Clicking the holders, clicking 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, there was about 115,000 holders, October 19th. Today, there's 201. So 115, that's 85,000. That's about an 85% increase. So in the last 90 days, there's 85% more people holding the CRO. Over here at the Twitter account, crypto.com, here's the arena. Everybody's going to love the arena. Now, they took the arena and they took all the red and they made everything blue. The Staples Center used to be red on everything. Crypto.com is blue on everything. Crypto.com, the best place to buy, sell, and pay crypto. It says, fortune follows the brave. At the end, I always come back and I show this commercial. You may have saw it on the weekend, Saturdays and Sundays. I think I saw this commercial 3 or 4 times over the weekend. This is where they're talking about the withdrawal service has been restored. All funds are safe. It will take time to clear the backlogs. We appreciate your patience. You know, there was a small number of users reporting suspicious activities on their account. So they paused the withdrawal shortly, and the team is investigating all the funds and that are safe. Kind of says it right here. Crypto.com pauses the withdrawals due to suspicious activities. Dogecoin founder Billy Marcus noticed a suspicious transaction pattern on the Etherscan prompt the company to halt transactions for the first time being. The major crypto wallet and platform crypto.com has temporarily held withdrawals and small numbers of users reported suspicious activities on their account, but all funds are reported safe at the moment. So everything's safe. And here's crypto.com. We have a small number of users reporting suspicious activities on their accounts. We will be pausing withdrawals shortly as our team is investigating. All funds are safe. A few hours ago, crypto.com halted the withdrawals on the platform in the response to the theft reported by the customers. They're just basically, they're halting everything. They're freezing everything. There's some suspicious activities. If you're on the crypto.com and you got something, they're on it. They're aware of it. They know what's going on with it. So don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're also getting into a new project, Drip. We're going to be doing a video or 2 on it. It's a pretty cool compounding cryptocurrency, so we'll come over, do a video on that in the next 3 to 4 days. All right, Walmart is trying to get into the Metaverse. All right, what's going on with Walmart? It says right here, Walmart is getting serious about the Metaverse. The company recently trademarked filing indicated the plans for the NFTs and cryptocurrency. So Walmart's getting into NFTs? Walmart's getting into cryptocurrency? It says Walmart appears to be getting ready to leap into the Metaverse. Recent trade applications indicated the company is looking to establish its own NFTs and cryptocurrencies, adding to the report. The retail giant filled several trademarks on December 30th, suggesting plans to start selling virtual goods, including electronics, toys, appliances, sporting equipment, apparel, decor, and much, much more. They mentioned offered customers a digital currency as an opportunity to buy and sell NFTs. Meanwhile, another application detailed possible physical fitness training services. It says Walmart is continuously exploring how emerging technologies may shape the future shopping experience. Walmart spokesperson told The Verge, "We don't have anything further to share today, but it's worth noting we routinely file trademark applications as part of the innovations process." And it says right here, last August, Walmart posted a job listing for cryptocurrency product specialist. So if you're into cryptocurrency, Walmart is also hiring. One of the first signs Walmart's growing interest in the metaverse. Other retailers are taking part in the metaverse movement as well. Nike is looking to cash in on the NFTs, virtual sneakers. All right, Walmart and the metaverse and NFTs. So again, remember how we're talking about following the whales? Follow the whales. The whales know what to do. Even if you can't jump in, we want to pay attention to the whales. Well, you would think Walmart's a whale. Walmart gets into cryptocurrency. Walmart gets into the metaverse. Hey, everybody, this is pretty good stuff we're bringing. All right, let's head back over to crypto.com. Over here at the website, Fortune Followers the Brave, the world's fastest growing crypto app, joined the hunt 10 mil users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend the crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio and receive an additional 14.5% on crypto assets. So you definitely want to get started with crypto.com. Buy crypto at true cost. Buy and sell 250 cryptocurrencies and 20 fiat currencies using bank transfers or your credit or debit card. Just a couple things, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polkadot. I know Dogelon Mars is on here. The only card you will need. Choose your card. Enjoy up to 8%. When you click choose your card, it says no annual fees. Yeah, it's pretty cool here. I'm going to hit back real quick. Get up to 8% back. Deposits crypto, earn your rewards. Up to 14.5%, up to 14% on stable coins, 14.5% on crypto. DeFi made simple. DeFi wallets, your keys, there's crypto. DeFi earn, no lockup period and stable returns. DeFi swap DeFi coins and earn triple yield. Cryptocurrency in every wallet. Look at this thing, this logo right here. You're going to see this a lot. When you're sitting in the crypto.com arena, you're going to be thinking about it too. All right, what's our price prediction here? Crypto.com, 44 cents. Going back here to last month. What was the top high in the last month? In the last month, this coin went to 65 cents, went to 68 cents. It went all the way to 59 cents. 44 cents right now. I'm thinking it easily could get to 50 cents, maybe 55 cents. All our information is for educational purposes only. But in the first quarter, take a look at crypto.com. A lot of good things going on. We're going to see them on the Super Bowl commercials. Right here at number 17, down 4%. Everybody who hasn't heard of Crypto.com is going to hear about Crypto.com and FTX when we get to basically the Super Bowl with the commercials. All right, Avalanche is right here, down 5% in the last 24 hours. Polkadot is up 20% in 7 days. Holy cow. Luna's up 14% in 7 days. Look at Cardano. We were talking about them, up 36% in the last 7 days. And there's Bitcoin at 42,000 and Ethereum at 32,000. All right, CRO Crypto.com. A lot of good stuff going on with it. Can't wait to go watch the Lakers play. I'm in a Crypto.com arena. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at noon. Bonus videos around 5 or 8 o'clock. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day today. Crypto.com. We're going to be seeing them and FTX on the Super Bowl commercials.